Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without a real phone number in 2026 and what people mean by getting quote-unquote virtual number without apps. Let's be clear up front. You cannot create a Telegram account without any number at all, but you can use a virtual or anonymous number without installing extra apps on your phone. I'll show you the safest and most practical methods. Okay? Step 1. Understand how Telegram works. To create a Telegram account, you always need to basically two things: a phone number, real or virtual, SMS or call verification. So the goal is not to remove the number, it's to use a number that doesn't expose your identity. Now, you can use online SMS services, no app required. This is the closest method to no apps. You can use websites that provide temporary numbers. Search for receive SMS online. Choose a website that lists public numbers, right? And then copy a number. So let's say this number, right? So I'm gonna copy this number, right? Open Telegram, select of course a country, and enter the number here. Okay, and wait for the SMS code to appear on the website. If that doesn't work, go ahead and use another number, okay, until something works, right? So I'm gonna add this number, for example, and then go ahead and wait for basically the SMS message, right? And yeah, the pros: no app installation and free. The numbers are public. That's the downside, right? It's not private. Maybe not, it won't work with Telegram sometimes, and accounts can be unstable. Use this only for temporary or testing accounts, right? Method 2, which is a little bit hard for some people, you can buy a virtual number, okay? So you could just type virtual number buy online. So you can buy virtual phone number from any website. This is the best and safest method, right? You can buy a number from online providers. Go to a virtual number website, buy a number, usually around $1 to $5, right? Or around $1 and $5. Around $1 to $5. Okay. Choose a country and use the number in Telegram, right? And receive SMS on the website dashboard. Repose, more reliable, private, works for long-term accounts. The account is not free, right? So yeah, method 3, you can use landline or secondary SIM. You don't need smartphone app for this. You can use a landline number, right? Receive call verification, secondary SIM card, friend or family number with permission, obviously. And you can enter the number in Telegram, obviously, right? Choose call verification if SMS fails, and enter the code. This is simple and very reliable, right? Method 4, you can use Telegram username instead of sharing numbers. After creating your account, go to settings, username, set a unique username, excuse me. Now people can contact you without seeing your number, right? Step 2, hide your phone number. Even if you used a real or virtual number, you can hide it. Go to settings, privacy and security, tap phone number, set who can see my number, nobody, who can find me, my contacts, or nobody. This keeps your identity private. Avoid using public numbers for important accounts, not securing your Telegram account, sharing your number publicly, or using unreliable SMS sites repeatedly, or ignoring privacy settings. Use paid virtual numbers for business or long-term use. Enable two-step verification in Telegram. Avoid reusing the same number across accounts. Keep logins access secure. Always test with the small accounts first, right? So to rewind, here is the easiest method. Get a virtual number on website, but whether you're buying it or not, open Telegram, enter the number, receive verification code, create account, hide your phone number in settings. and then voila, you just created your first Telegram account with no personal phone number. Okay, so creating a virtual number creating a virtual Telegram number without apps in 2026 is absolutely possible, but it always involves using some form of number, real or virtual. The safest option is using a paid virtual number, while free online numbers are only good for temporary use. The key is not just creating the account, but protecting your privacy after setup. So, if you think that this video helped, consider liking, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. This is really important. It helps the algorithm push it helps the algorithm really push this content. So thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.